Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. And so I wanted to talk about a new dog bone cord that we have in stock in the shop. And this is a product that's made by Camco. They call it a power grip because it actually has a nice handle to pull on. But what this is a 50 amp 90. So if you have already currently a 50 amp connection and it's a straight and you're tired of your cord bending or really pushing pressure on the connection that it screws into, this guy simply screws into that same connection with a ring that tightens up, but the opposite end of it has another collar on it and lets you put in that 50 amp into it to connect it, so that when it's connected to your coach, it's now hanging straight, not having all that pressure from it bending on your coach like that. So something to think about. We do have these in stock. We will put the information in the link below. Thank you so much for watching.